Hello everyone, welcome to Homeschooling Worksheets. Maths Daily Practice Worksheets. Count and write the numbers. Let's start. Let's count rows. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 roses. Let's count ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 6 ice creams. Now let's count parrots. Let's start. 1, 2 and 3. We have 3 parrots. Now let's count elephant. Let's start. 1. We have 1 elephant. So now we have 4 roses. We have 6 ice creams. We have 3 parrots. And we have 1 elephant. Count and write the numbers. Let's count together. How many cars are there? 1, 2 and 3. 3 cars. How many homes are there? 1. 1 home. How many bicycles are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 bicycles. How many aeroplanes are there? 1, 2. 2 aeroplanes. How many butterflies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 butterflies are there. Count and write the numbers. Now let's count how many dogs are there. Let's start. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 dogs are there. Now let's count how many ducks are there. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ducks are there. Now let's count how many pencils are there. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 pencils are there. Now let's count how many fishes are there. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 fishes are there. Now let's count how many balls are there. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls are there. Now let's count how many spoons are there. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 spoons are there. Now let's count how many balloons are there. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balloons are there. Now let's count how many flowers are there. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers are there. Well done, children. Excellent job. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.